This video is going to show you how to use the BGAN. So we have to find the open area and press the BGAN to the flat place. After switch it on here, you can point the antenna to get the signal. Go to the setting button, then select point now. The pointing sound will indicate the strength and the weakness of the signal. Until you get the signal good enough, just accept it. It will searching and register the BGAN to the Inmarsat network. Just wait a moment. So when you get the ladies, it means it's ready to use. You just connect the LAN connection to the BGAN. One with PoE, it means it's for the IP phone. The LAN 2 is for the data. Once get connected, you can see the package sending in and out. In this unit, we set up like a standard data. We can bounce to the SciNet network. For Schlumberger, we can use only SciNet for the BGAN. We can connect another line to the Cisco IP phone. Once the phone connects to the system, you can make a call.
Hello.
Test.
Hello.
Thank you. Okay, thanks for watching.